Your heart breaks with every tender touch. You think to yourself, you don't love her all that much. The moon and the stars, she'd give them all to you. So with a tear in your eye, you continue. Skin so soft and light brown hair, she stares into your eyes without a single care. You have become a shelter from the rain, yet while she's filled with love, you're filled with pain. Reality screams into your ear, so you try to collect yourself, you try and calm your fears. How long can you play this game? How much longer can you simply hold your shame? Life is anything but a fairy tale, and before you pass, sometimes you fade. They say it's better to have loved than to have lost, and never have played, so we pay the cost. And never have played, so we pay the cost. Every passing day you sink in sand, becomes even harder when she holds on to your hand. You can't be the one who shatters her dreams, so you make her believe everything is as it seems. It's never easy when the time has come, and it's never easy, but you've had your fun. Do not feel sorry for what you've done, for after the rain soon comes the sun. And life is anything but a fairy tale, and before you pass, sometimes you fail. They say it's better to have loved than to have lost, than never have played, so we pay the cost. Than never have played, so we pay the cost. Than never to have played, so we pay the cost.